How do you make money from YouTube Shorts? That's literally the million-dollar question. Because in a moment, I'll be showing you exactly how people are making well over $1 million per month with YouTube Shorts. Hey everybody, it's Graham here and welcome back. I will be showing you exactly how people are earning millions with YouTube Shorts. I will show you proof and then I'll show you how you can go about doing it yourself. So let's do this. When searching hashtag shorts, you'll be shown this page. This is what's known as the YouTube Shorts shelf. The first thing to notice here is people are getting millions upon millions of views with YouTube Shorts. As you can see, there's one here, 1 million views, and it was posted 3 days ago. There's another one here, 2.1 million views, posted 1 day ago. And there's a few here with a few 100,000 views, also posted around 1 day ago. You can keep scrolling through the page and you'll notice massive views on each video. 3.8 million views, 633,000, 2.1 million, 851,000. The numbers are just ridiculous. Now, here's where it starts to blow your mind even more. Let's go see how they are making millions of dollars. Heading over to Social Blade, we can confirm the type of money that they're making. Looking at this channel, Cabby Reacts, he started the channel on the 5th of September 2021. And when you look at the monthly earnings, he's earning anywhere from $80,000 to $1.3 million per month. And if you look at the yearly estimated revenue, it'll be between $980,000 and $15 million. And this channel was only started around a month ago. Looking at another channel called Sports Nation, you see on a monthly basis, they are earning between $120,000 and $2 million. And on a yearly basis between $1.5 million and $24 million. And one final example, you'll notice these guys on most of the videos on the YouTube Short shelf. They get millions of views per video. The channel is called LankyBox, and if you look at their monthly earnings, it's between $460,000 and $7.4 million. And on a yearly basis, between $5 million and $88 million. Now, of course, we don't know the exact number that they're earning, but this is the potential earnings that this channel is making. Now, that'll make you get up in the morning and do the happy dance. The scary thing is, you may think this is way out of proportion, but when you look at the average CPM for most channels, and to show you an example of the average CPM, if you just search that in Google, you'll see that it's around the $3 mark. I would say between the $2 to $3 is probably your lowball average. Looking here, it shows their default CPM between the 25 cents and the $4 mark. So that falls perfectly within that average range. Even though you see a range of earnings here, this kind of money is probably correct. And if you cut it down the middle, even that kind of money is still mind-blowing. And when you're looking at the average CPM of 25 cents to $4, it really is a low CPM compared to most channels out there. To make money with YouTube Shorts, the first thing you need to do is show me some love and give this video a thumbs up down below, as it'll really help me with the YouTube algorithm. Hitting that subscribe button would be a cherry on top. Next, head over to YouTube and search for your niche. Today we'll be choosing the fitness niche. So what you would need to do is search hashtag shorts plus fitness. It'll then show you all the fitness shorts on that page, and it'll generally go from the highest view down or the most popular video at that time. You can see over here the type of views that these guys are getting. This one's over 260,000 views. This one's 2.5 million views. This one's 14 million views. These are some staggering numbers. One thing to notice is also the frequency of these videos. This one's 8 months ago. This one's 5 months ago. This one's 3 years ago. That just shows you that people aren't taking advantage of this massive niche. It's probably one of the biggest markets on the planet because everybody wants to be healthy and fit. So let's go over how you can use this niche to make money, even without Google ad revenue. As I'm sure all of you know, if someone watches your YouTube Short via the YouTube Short shelf, you don't earn anything from ad revenue. But if they view your YouTube Short via your channel page or any other method, you earn from ad revenue. So we just covered step 1, which is picking your niche. Now, step 2 is finding the content you'll use to create your YouTube Short. We will be specifically looking for popular articles and using that content to create our YouTube Shorts. You can search for any popular website online that's got the content you're looking for. In this case, I found this example on men's health, abs exercises, 18 of the best to add to your workout. You can search for anything you want, whether it be abs, building biceps, gaining muscle, losing weight, whatever the case may be. Now this article provides 18 of the best ab exercises, so we'll be taking a variation from this and creating our YouTube short. Working through the article, you can see many different variations here in pictures, and they're going over different elements of the anatomy and so forth, talking about upper, middle, and lower abs. And then you get to the point where they've got the 18 variations, the first one being a barbell floor wiper, next one being the medicine ball slam, and so forth. I'm going to choose maybe 3 out of the 18 and use that for my video. Now that we have our content, our step 3 is to find relevant pictures to use with these variations. When searching for your specific exercise, this one being the hanging leg raise, you'll find pictures such as this. So the first variation is the hanging leg raise. The second variation I've chosen is the dragon flag. And the third variation I've chosen is the cocoon crunch. Once you find the pictures you're looking for, just download them to your computer. Now for step 4, make your shorts video. We will combine all of these pictures to make an educational shorts video. It's educational because it's allowing people to learn how to do these exercises. To create your video, you can use a website called Canva. I do have a link in the description if you want. This is by far one of the best free tools to create your content and your videos. When at Canva, just search for mobile video over here. It will then give you tons of templates to choose from. In this case, we'll be choosing the blank mobile template. I went ahead and already loaded the images into here. So I have my 3 images at the bottom here. When you first place your picture on the canvas, just remember to resize it accordingly. Try get it within the middle of the canvas like it shows here. The next thing to do is blend the background, so I'm going to turn it black as it's easier on the eyes. So you head over here to your color palette and then choose black. There we go, much cleaner already. Then do that for all 3. The next thing you need to do is choose the animation for your picture. So select your picture, then go over here to animate. It'll give you a whole bunch of different options to choose from. I'm going to choose this photo zoom. You can see it has this nice zoom effect, very similar to that of a video. So add that to all your photos. Now let's add our text to the video. You can see I've added the text already. One thing to notice, on the very first picture, I've got the reason for the video. The reason being the 3 best ab exercises. And below that at the bottom, I've got the name of the first exercise. But when moving to the second and the third picture, I've got the name of the exercise at the top. You can see it with this one here as well. But at the bottom, I've got see description for more workouts. And I've got that on both of the other slides. The reason being is we want everybody to watch the video all the way through, but we also want to give them a call to action. The next thing you'll notice is each slide will take 5 seconds to do. So that's a total of 15 seconds for the whole thing. That's a great length for a YouTube short, as most people will watch it all the way through to the end. And on YouTube, watch time is everything, so if you can get that 100%, you're in the pound seats already. So there you have it. It's so easy to create your video. All you do is drag in a picture, add in your text, and boom, you got yourself a money maker. To show you how it looks, let's play it over here. A nice, simple, educational video. If you want to, you can always add music to this. Just go to audio on the left here and select any of the royalty-free songs, or you can upload your own tracks here and put it in the video. Then just go over here where it says download and download a copy to your computer. Your step 5 is monetizing your video. How you will do this is using an affiliate product. So we will find our digital affiliate product over at clickbank.com. You don't have to use ClickBank, there's many more out there such as Digistore24, but this is the one we'll use for now. Once in your profile, head over to the marketplace on ClickBank, then search for your particular term. In this case, we were talking about abs. So when searching for abs, it comes up with a number of different products. You can see the various products over here. What we're going to do is choose this one here, being the new 4-minute fighter abs. And as you can see, it's currently converting at around $41 per sale. So every time you make a sale, you'll get an average of $41. When looking at the product page, you can see it's quite a convincing page, telling you that in the next 28 days, you'll melt 3 inches off your waist. You can scroll down the page and read it for yourself, get a feel for the product that you're going to be promoting. All you do next is head over here and click on promote, get yourself your special affiliate link for this product, and we'll use this when we upload our video. Having the affiliate link to this product in the description of your video will allow you to earn hundreds, if not thousands per day, depending on the number of views that your YouTube short gets. Step 6, head over to your YouTube channel and upload your video. All you do next is give your video a title, make sure that it's got hashtag shorts in the title or description. In your description, make sure you place your affiliate link over here. Then either in front or above the link, just give them that call to action saying get more ab workouts here or something along those lines. Then whoever watches your video and comes over here and clicks on your affiliate link, if they go through and purchase that, you then earn a commission. And the commission for this product was $41. There you have it, guys. It really is that simple. Just take 20 minutes a day and you have yourself an income generating asset online. In the description, if you click on the first link, there's free trainings there which I know will be incredible for you to go over. Especially if you want to become successful online, which I know you do. It's no cost to you guys, just register and enjoy. That's it for today's video, ladies and gents. I really hope you enjoyed the content that was shared. If you did, give this video a like down below. Also hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, and I'll send you a notification to your phone or your computer every time I release a new video. As always, everyone, thank you for watching. Take care of yourself. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.